Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful puff sleeve. It's very easy. You don't need a pattern to make this sleeve. So if you love the idea, please don't forget to give this tutorial a good thumbs up. So over here I've got my front pattern. You can go ahead and measure the armhole of any blouse that you want to add the sleeves on. So I'm going to measure the armhole round and it's going to be 10 inches. So I'm going to mark my 10 inches down. Then I have my fabric over here, of which I folded into 2 layers. So right on the fold, that's where I'm going to start implementing my measurement. So from the top edge of my fabric, I'm going to mark down 6 inches, and this depends on how much of a puff you want your sleeve to have. So mine is going to be 6 inches, and I'm going to mark a line across the fabric. Then now I'm going to start implementing my cap's heights, of which you want to take your bust circumference divided by 12. Mine is 3 inches, and then I'm going to mark a line across the pattern. Now from the top line, you want to mark the length of your sleeve, and mine is going to be 8 inches, and I'm going to add 1 inch for hemming. So the next thing that we need to do is to place that 10 inch that we measured on the armhole in between the 2 lines. So I'm going to place 10 inch, and you place your measuring tape slanted just like it's shown on the screen, and then mark the 2 points or create a slanted line. Then when you're done, you want to find the midpoint of the 10 inches, of which is going to be 5 inch for me. Then you want to create a sleeve head. So the first line is going to be for the front, and I'm going to create the armhole for the back. So the shallow line is actually for the front, and the straight line is actually for the back. So when our sleeve have the back and the front side. Now on the third line, I'm going to place my bicep round, which is going to be 6 inches plus 1 inch of seam allowance. Then connect the 2 points. So remember, we marked the 6 inch from the top, and I'm going to create a sleeve head from that top edge of our fabric. I'm just going to connect it to form a sleeve head and blend it on the line, on the curved line. So this is how it looks once we've created a sleeve head, and this sleeve head is going to form the puff. So when you cut, please don't forget to add your 1/2 inch seam allowance right at the hemming of your sleeve. This will help when we do the folding, it doesn't gather on or around the seam. Now once we've cut out our sleeve, please don't forget to create some notches, because they are going to help us when we are going to gather the puff sleeve. Opening up my sleeve, I want to go ahead and trim off the front part of the sleeve. So guys, let's take the sleeve to the sewing machine and gather the sleeve head. And there we go guys, our sleeve is almost done. The next thing is to close the side. the side seam and also hem the bottom of the sleeve. Then I will show you guys how it actually looks on the mannequin. There we go, guys. So the sleeve is done, and this is the easiest way to create a puff sleeve. So I hope you guys will try out this project and tell me what you think. So as for me, see you on the next one.